Introducing the Arctic Fjord, a state-of-the-art vessel built for efficiency, reliability, and performance in some of the harshest maritime environments on Earth. This impressive ship spans 325.8 feet in length, with a breadth of 68.9 feet and a draft of 22.6 feet, making it perfectly suited for navigating icy waters and handling heavy loads. It operates at a service speed of 16 knots, ensuring timely and reliable transportation, even under challenging conditions. Designed with industry-leading freezing capabilities, the Arctic Fjord features a frozen cargo hold capacity of 2,230 metric tons. This massive space is optimized for transporting and processing pollock, a staple in global seafood markets. Onboard, advanced equipment processes and freezes pollock at peak freshness, delivering premium quality to markets worldwide. The Arctic Fjord isn't just about cargo, it's also about people. With a maximum capacity of 152 crew members, the vessel is equipped with modern accommodations to support a hard-working crew on extended journeys. These facilities ensure a safe, comfortable, and productive environment at sea. Purpose-built for pollock processing, the Arctic Fjord is part of a global effort to meet the rising demand for sustainable seafood. The onboard processing ensures minimal waste and maximizes efficiency, turning freshly caught pollock into high-quality products like fillets, surimi, and roe. Whether it's navigating icy Arctic passages or operating in bustling ports, the Arctic Fjord delivers unmatched performance. The Arctic Fjord, engineered for excellence in pollock processing, cargo transport, and crew comfort.